Today I wanted to talk you through whether you should order a 12 by 12 cutout for a sample or a full panel. The cutout is great for things like texture and depth. It's directly cut out, like I said, from one of our panels, so you can see the shadow stones, you can play around with it. It's a good testament to our durability. I mean, I can't even snap this, and it's a third of the size of our normal panels. And this is super lightweight as well, so our product averages about £1 a square foot. This one, as you can see, about 1 square foot. So if I really wanted to, I could go around and throw it like a frisbee. The nice thing about this is that you can also cut and screw into it without sacrificing any of the actual panels that you ordered to make sure that it behaves how you expect it to and how you need it to for your project. Another benefit of working with a project coordinator here, if you order the sample through one of us, we can actually credit this sample back to you when you place your full order. Now onto the full panel. So the full panel is a much better representation of all of the colors that you're going to get in your project. As you can see, the cutout is actually cut directly from one of these panels, so you might not get all of the color variation throughout for those things like Desert Sunrise, Northern Slate that have a little bit more variation. This is great if you are presenting to somebody like a customer or an HOA or even an architectural firm. Any questions that they might have, most of the answers can be found with this panel right here. This is also wonderful if you do need to match an existing paint color or texture on your wall. You can put this right out there and make sure that it matches. Another benefit of ordering a full sample is that actually if you need 20 panels, let's say, you already have one in your possession, so we could just sell you 19 and your project is good to go.